teeth, and that's it. It's not. What about eruption? Yes, so there is no eruption. Here it is. Oh, it is very difficult to. Okay, guys, this is impossible to memorize. Okay, not this. I would not memorize like this. Yeah.
Yes.
So I suggest you to make it easier. Yeah, in this. Look here. Okay, about eruption. You have this, you can take pictures from here, yeah, if you don't have. This book and this book you have on the website, yeah, so it is, okay? So here on the page 5, you can see description of the teeth, like very briefly, it's not like here without pictures. And here you can read this text, what is about eruption. And by the way, periodont is correct. Is describe what means periodontium. Yeah, periodont over here. And then about eruption, it is here, okay? And then you see this very simple table, guys. Where are the students? So where did this disappear? You don't know.
They went to Dekanat.
Dekanat. Okay. So see, when we talk about eruption of the milk teeth, the first usually erupt the lower first incisors, yeah, at the age of approximately 6-8 months, okay? And the rule for eruption of the milk teeth is like this. So first erupt the lower teeth and then the upper teeth. First erupt incisors, then first molar, and only after that canine, yeah, and then the second molar. And if you look at this table, you can see here the lower incisors, first one. Go if you need to go there. Okay, go. So it is 6. Then we add 2 months, and it is upper first incisors. Then we add 2 months, we have lower second incisors. Then 2 months again, upper second. Then we skip the canine and we have 2 months more. This will be inferior first molar, then 2 months more superior molar, first one, and then it will be canines, again like this, inferior and then superior, and then again, each time we add 2 months, and then we have 24, 22. It will be second lower molar, and then 2 months later, second upper molars, okay? So this is easier to memorize, yeah? So each group like this, what is described here, 2 more months. And by the way, to find out how many teeth the child should have at some particular age, there is a formula. It is approximate, of course, yeah? But more or less, it helps us to judge how the baby develops. How the child develops. So this formula means like number of month number minus 4, yeah, and then we will have number teeth number, yeah. So for example, we have 20 months, yeah, minus 4. So how many teeth we should have? 16, yeah. If it is 24, so 2 years when we should have all the set of teeth, minus 4, we will have full set, yeah? So it is for each age. You can use like this formula. Okay, this you don't need to explain, yeah, when you are like explain teeth at exam, for example, but for your use, and it helps to tell you, to say at which age, how many teeth the child has. And this table I would not comment. So it is for permanent teeth. So first will erupt, I will say a couple of words. Okay, the tooth which is first molar. It erupts at age of 6 years approximately, and it erupts at the empty place, because this first molar will be tooth number 6, okay? And we have milk only 5 teeth, yeah? And therefore we have free space behind. So these parents even don't notice this tooth, yeah? It erupts first, and then at the same time, almost we have eruption of the incisors. In general, we have first lower than upper, but here it's not so like strictly. And then about the eruption of the canine and first premolar, they can erupt different way. First canine, then premolar, or premolar, then canine. So it is not very like by law, like for milk. So, and you can see average, yeah, here. So it is easy to memorize, I guess, yeah. So first incisor, 7 years, then second incisor, 8 years in average, then canine, 9/10, then first premolar, 9/10, yeah, and then 11 second premolar, then we have first molar already erupted at 6, 12 years second molar, and then the third will be between the 12 and 26, yeah, so 22 years old approximately, yeah. So therefore you can have this one instead of this, yeah. And by the way, what I want to tell you that in each textbook you will find different time of eruption, okay? Because it varies also from country to country even, yeah? So therefore, whatever you take, you will have different years. So this is like approximately, it's okay. So now, what else should we say? We should describe like each group of teeth, yeah? Each group of teeth. So let's try to describe them. So you can see it here, and you